I'd always get right back up, never worry, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me.
Hey, it's Silvestro, the Weight Loss King, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Slamball. Okay, so this is a Slamball. Particular one's got 5 kilos. So basically the good thing about a Slamball is that you hold it like so, okay, and then above your head, elbows in, side, and then you want it to basically land in front of you between your legs. So if I stand upright, elbows are in, and then you want to do this curve action. So you slam it down. And a good idea as you get better and better is when you do slam it, is that you can grab it on the rebound. So you bend, side view, up, elbows in, so you're going down with the ball and you're picking it up on the rebound. Minutes high intensity workout is all you need to keep the weight off forever. I'll talk to you soon.